28th of February 2023.
Asuntosakeyhtiö Haukilahti.
This is Salakkatie. Is it Silvägen? I think. Strömmingvägen. The fish out to check it.
Yeah.
There are 4 floors here. It was built in the beginning of 1989. It says 88 on the glass, 1889 in the elevator. Turned 30 years old in 2019, and the serial number is B1NE0447. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2024. I just need to put the noise here. What's 39? And I think there are the stakes is ALC here. We can film it later.
Yeah.
It's also here in Haukilahti, Jedvik, Espoo. This gas force station also in Finland. What's that?
Huh.
Strange. I think there's something on the rail.
Yeah, but nothing. But
Well, maybe we'll try to ride it separately.
no.
I love the sounds of it.
Yeah, same here. Inspired by lifting student, maintained by Espoo history.
It's fast for just 4 floors.
Yeah,
And Valmet Otis.
yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I think the sound was very nostalgic here.
Yeah. That's